What's up, guys? And I'm back with another video. I'm eating dinner. Let's go, guys. Let's eat. Alright, what should I eat? I'm gonna eat some collard greens. Collard is good. Excuse me. Give me some fried chicken. Boy, that fried chicken good. Wait 1 minute, guys. But let's put this up to the table. Now, all we gotta do is eat some collard greens. Macaroni. Good.
Hey, it's school today. I thought you might be here. Had to get out of the house. Didn't want to see you. Wait,
Guys, like to subscribe to this video.
you're upset.
But if you really like macaroni,
I wasn't thinking.
macaroni
Pretty clear. I'm just trying to
fried chicken,
apologize.
please just subscribe. If you like fried chicken and macaroni.
Give me my backpack. Okay,
Bye.